Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a unboxing and review of this tactical flashlight. It's super bright, it's by Sunitact, and it appears to be well made. Okay, so that's the case. That's the strap we could use. It's USB-C charging cable, which is great. We have two of these cables. We have rechargeable battery here, additional batteries. And what I liked about this flashlight is that you have not just one flashlight here. This is the flashlight itself. I'm going to install the battery. I'm going to show you how it works, but the feel is really good. I like the feel in my hand. It's really solid. This is the button, but it also has the small flashlight, so you can use it standalone. It has also stand, as you can see here. It's good for camping. So let's get it started. So this is the one that I want to start with. So you can turn it on here, charge through here. It's USB-C, and it's already came pre-charged. I'm going to show you. And it has two light modes, and the third one is SOS. Yeah, it's really fun. You can give it to your kid, for instance. Also, as I said, it's good for any occasion. Let's try this one. So I unscrewed it. You can install either 3 batteries here. This is for the 3 batteries, or you can put this one. This one came well packed. So let's take a look. So I just put in the rechargeable battery, the large one, and it has 5 modes. When you turn it on, it's going to show you the charge of your battery. As you can see, show you now. This is the 3rd mode, this is the 4th, and this is the 5th. Voila. It's really good, it's really solid, it's pretty heavy. I really like actually. So yeah, I highly recommend it, and the carry-on case is also good. So it's really useful for hiking or camping. Yeah, I really like it. Thank you for watching.